We got the front door, bathroom, and bedroom number 2. Problems with the front door. Stuck. Yeah, okay, problem with the bathroom. Doesn't lock, doesn't shut. Bedroom 2, also no lock, does not shut. So, what is the solution to all of these? Replace them with no prior experience. I turn the knob, and this thing doesn't go all the way in. When I do this thing, it's not going all the way in. So it gets stuck here. This is the thing that I want to fix. New door handle and a new front thing. Don't unscrew it with the door closed, because how are you gonna open the door now? I am not a handyman, as you can tell. What is coming off? Is that wood? I put this thing in first, and then I put this thing in next. Does it go in the bottom hole? Does it want to? It's not going in that bottom hole. Uh-oh. I don't have many tools for this. This new one has like this weird bottom thing to it. So I can't like push it into the door because I don't have a drill. I need a drill. Shit. Cinnamon roll, coffee. Okay, step 4, get a drill because you don't own one. What the? Oh man, not this again. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this should be fine. This is nice. This is a nice one. I did it again. No handle. It's stuck in there. I closed the door when I came in. I had to go around back, I think. Step 3, lock yourself out. I had to get Jordan and we had to put both door handles in and then turn it. So yeah, maybe I should watch a YouTube video next time because I did not do that. So I don't really know what I'm doing with this drill. Not quite. That goes to show you I know nothing what I'm doing. Oh, it's in. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh yeah, it's fully going in. I think that's it. I think we did it. Now, when I walk into my house, no more rattling at the door. Okay, we have like 2 or 3 more doors to do. More door handle situations coming up. Going up, A2. Feels good. Same handle. Oh, dude. These ones are a little stripped. Is it locked though? Okay. Now we're running into a problem. Yep, it's like way too high. Oh man. What am I gonna do here? I was wondering why this doesn't line up. I was taking a look at the hinges, and the whole year we've been living in this room, never noticed that this is broken. Like, there's a piece of cardboard here. Okay, so if I screw that all in, maybe it'll work?
Yeah, we're good.
Does this work? Hell yeah. Wait, keep doing it. Oh my god. It works. It works. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to function.